But this gentleman took the name of his mother, Victoria, and as pilot, INOX now is the Swedish for steel. This is the picture of the gentleman who developed the pocket knife. What was the date? What date did I say? 1890. So it's a fairly recent invention. Why was it? Why did he develop it? So the members of the Swiss Army would have a convenient way to have a sharp knife with them. Okay. And here again, it shows a picture of the first drawings of it. Pass around so you can see the drawings. The first drawings of how to make a pocket knife. And like I said, this is one of those real famous Swiss Army knives. Like I said, you can pass this around. It's my gentleman's set. So when you see that label, you know it's one of the better ones. They even give you instructions how to sharpen it, how to care for it. All those things come in the package with it. Now another gentleman came along shortly thereafter. Winger came along, and he kind of worked with Elsner, and so he started his own company for a while, and his label was a little bit different. And let me see, I've got a knife with that label on it as well.
I definitely have one right here.
Yeah.
I know Paul does.
Yeah, here's one with the other labels.
Oh wow!
Oh, I have that.
I have that.
So this is another good pocket knife. So, but not quite as good as the other one.
I have mine.
Okay.
Mine glows in the dark too.
Mine doesn't.
Because it's a Scout one, you can get it at the Scout Shop or Beacon Surplus.
Okay, so to be the original Army knife, Swiss Army knife, it has to have that shield on it, not the oblong thing, but actually the shield. That makes it a genuine Swiss Army knife. Okay, here again, this Langer, he well, Swiss made some knives, and he started making combinations. Now here again, normally you have a big blade, a small blade. You have a cork remover, remove corks, pop, you know, and you may have a toothpick in it, or you may have an awl. But here again, the first pocket knives that they made for the Scouts were, they had a big blade, a small blade, and you had an opener and a screwdriver.
They still have those.
Oh yes, you can buy all kinds of combinations nowadays. In fact, Wanger, he really went overboard. And the largest Scout knife made by our famous gentleman was only 16 tools on it. Only 16. Now, Ryder came along, he said, I'm going to do something better than that. Yeah. Let me see, how many did it have? It had 78 of them, I think, on it. Here's a picture. Here's the picture of the masterpiece. They weighed over 2.5 pounds.
Okay, anytime your knife is wider than it is long with the blade extended, it is no longer a pocket knife.
That can outfit your pocket.
That's a backpacking whatever.
Can you even get those anywhere?
Yeah, you can buy them.
What?
They're
I don't
about
think
$280.
that one is
Back
built.
there,
I think there's
the
only
blue
one of those.
No,
built.
no, they have that.
They still have it?
They still have that.
Oh, God.
It's $280.
What? Who would do that?
Well, hey, before you go, what? This, when you buy it from Victronox, is $65.
Oh.
That was $15.
This
You gotta remember,
this
this
pocket
because
knife,
it's glow in the dark and
this pocket knife, around $50, single blade.
yeah.
I would rather
Victronox
get
makes
this one
really good
or
stuff. You pay for
Light
the
it
quality.
is.
Okay?
That's
Pay
why
for the
it's
quality.
it's
Let me
a,
see which one you got. He's got a little different than mine. You notice they both have the Scout symbol, right? They both have, well, he's lost his toothpick and tweezers,
No, I just took them.
but he's actually got his, if you notice, his is wider than mine. Because he actually has one thing I do not have.
What? Screwdriver?
magnifying glass?
No, I think he has a saw blade.
Oh, I have one of those.
Yeah. You have a saw blade, nail file.
Scissors make it wider too.
Yep, you have a saw blade.
So he can cut lumber with that.
Well, actually, he shouldn't even be having this because he doesn't have his tone chip yet. But we won't talk about that, right?
Here's another
Say thank
real
you.
fancy knife. Has a keeper on it, a compass.
Ooh,
Nice.
I could use them.
whose is that? Is that yours?
It's mine. I don't know who made it.
Well, sharper image, so it's made
Yeah.
in China.
Here's another one that you can obtain someplace.
Thank you.
It's got scissors.
I've seen one of those
Yeah.
on the bus.
It's got a saw blade.
On the bus?
Okay, so, and then we have,
USA.
not anymore.
No.
Gerber is not USA anymore.
That's what it says on the blade.
Yep, that's because when they made this, it was. You cannot get this anymore.
Oh, that's unique. I think I have one of those, but I can't remember where to put it.
Is that a plier knife?
Here's another neat one. Not a real fancy cover on the outside, but they have a lot of holes in it to kind of reduce the weight. This one's kind of heavy by itself.
I have never seen
Oh.
a Gerber multi-tool with the corkscrew.
It's awesome.
I've seen it with all these other little
Gadgets
gadgets,
inside, yeah.
but I've never seen it with the corkscrew. Mine of these that I have no clue where it is,
Thank you. Say thank you.
it has a saw there.
You have to make sure you have a hold on the blade.
Wow.
Thank you.
Well, there's,
Kind of record.
here again, there's Boy Scouts that put out a lot of pocket knives. You can probably obtain them for almost any price, any size. So be careful
Honey, where's those small ones?
when you talk about looking at pocket knives. They come in all different kinds.
I already looked at it.
Ready to roll?
So,
I'm gonna lock in your number too.
Oh, sure. I'll see.
Mr. Altman, I think you had something you want to talk about now.
Yes, I do. Yes, sir.
I got things all fired up here with pocket
Oh, yeah,
knives.
it's plastic.
It looks like the one on the picture.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Careful.